In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a suspended Google Ads account in 2025. If you found yourself in the unfortunate situation of having your Google Ads account suspended, don't worry. We're here to guide you through the process of getting it reinstated step by step. The whole process should take around 5 minutes, and we'll make sure each step is clear and easy to follow. First things first, log into your Google Ads account and head over to the Overview section. This is your starting point to diagnose and address the issues leading to your account suspension. As you navigate to the overview, make sure to take note of any alerts or messages that Google has provided. These can be crucial in understanding why your account was suspended and what needs to be done. Next, let's focus on billing. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a section labeled Billing. Hover over this section to access the drop-down menu, then select Payment Methods. Ensuring your payment methods are up to date is a common requirement to resolve suspensions. Double check your listed payment methods, verify their active status, and update any expired details or incorrect information. By making sure that everything is current and correct, you can help prevent future issues. After you've taken care of your payment methods, it's time to verify your advertiser information. From the billing section, click on Advertiser Verification. Sometimes suspensions occur due to incomplete or outdated advertiser details. Working through the verification steps, update your information as necessary, following the prompts provided by Google. This verification is crucial as Google needs to ensure that your ads are being run by a legitimate business, hence accurate details are imperative. Having sorted out your verification details, it's wise to seek further assistance directly from Google. Navigate to the help icon on the top right of your dashboard. A small question mark will take you to Google Ads' Help Center, where you can find a wealth of resources and guidance on specific issues, including account suspensions. From there, select Contact Us to directly communicate your situation to Google Support. Providing a detailed account of your steps taken to resolve the suspension can be helpful. Explain your issue succinctly, but with enough detail so that the support team has a clear understanding of the actions you've already taken. By following these steps, you should hopefully be on your way to reinstating your Google Ads account. Remember, accuracy and up-to-date information are key in preventing future suspensions. If at any point you need additional help, never hesitate to reach out to Google's support for guidance. We hope this guide has provided you with the knowledge you need to resolve your account suspension effectively. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your advertising endeavors.